When we wish to solve rational equations, we multiply the entire equation by the least common denominator to clear the entire equation of fractions. We solve the resulting equation and check our work. So in this case, our least common denominator is going to be our two denominators multiplied together. So x plus 4 times x plus 10. So we multiply both sides of this equation by our least common denominator. And the reason we do this step is because it's going to eliminate our fractions. So we can see that here, we can think of this factor as really being these factors over 1. So when we multiply these fractions, the x plus 10 factor is going to cancel, leaving us on the left with x plus 1 times x plus 4. And on the right, our x plus 4 terms are going to cancel, leaving us with x minus 2 times x plus 10. So now we have an equation with no fractions which we can solve. So when we multiply the left side out, we FOIL, and we're going to get x squared plus 5x plus 4 equals, when we multiply this side out, we get x squared. We're going to get a plus 10x and a minus 2x, leaving us with a plus 8x minus 20. Notice we can subtract x squared from both sides, so our x squared terms go away. Now if we subtract 8x, we're going to get negative 3x equals, and we subtract 4 on both sides, we're going to get minus 24, leaving us with x equals 8. And if we take 8 and plug it back into our original equation, you'll see that we get a true statement. So if we wish to solve the rational expression, so if we wish to solve this rational equation, we start by multiplying both sides of the equation by the least common denominator, which in this case is x minus 4 times 2x minus 7. We multiply on both sides by x minus 4 times 2x minus 7. Well, on this side, the x minus 4's cancel, leaving us with 2x minus 7 times 3x plus 1. And on this side, the 2x minus 7's cancel, leaving us with 6x plus 5 times x minus 4. When we FOIL out both sides of the equation, we get 6x squared minus 19x minus 7 equals 6x squared minus 19x minus 20. And we see that we can subtract 6x squares from both sides of the equation, and we can add 19x to both sides of the equation. All four of those terms cancel, leaving us negative 7 equals negative 20. We now have an equation with no variables in it, and two numbers that are not equal to each other, so this equation is false, so we are left with no solution.